How to write a gym membership contract cancellation letter. Gym membership contract cancellation letter. Date, May 10, 2019. 2. ATTN address postal code country. Subject, cancellation of membership. Dear Mr. Mrs. Name, unfortunately, I have to send this request for cancellation of my membership from the club. I am forced to cancel the membership due to my transfer and therefore I may not be available to attend future club activities. The club has been a good place to be associated and it has been a good place for socializing. The facilities provided by the club are also excellent and are on par with any another club in the city. The sports facilities and health facilities are also worth mentioning. The holidays arranged by club have also been exotic experience. The association with the club has been fruitful and I certainly hope that it will continue to enrich people's life in future. Yours sincerely, Name. Signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com